Hey, this is TJ from Would Be Digital Marketing. I'm hopping on here just to show you what automations can do. I made this little automation last night for Google My Business little freebie. So I was like, oh, I'll hop in on here and show some people. Really simple to set up, and it just gets in contact with the people that are asking for the information and just sees how they're doing, and then moves them further down the road to hopefully purchasing your product. So this is the automation. So I put together like a little free, put in your name, phone number, email address, and then just a little description of your business. And then I optimize and give them the content to optimize their Google business profile. So this is what this looks like. Let's No, there we go. I think that's it. So this is what the little web page looks like, right? Get your Google business profile optimized, and then you just come down here, put in a first name, last name, phone number, email, and then GMB business description, and then they click, and then it sends them to a thank you page. And once they submit this form, let's hop back into automations. This is the trigger, right? The trigger is that form. So they will be put into an opportunity as a lead in a pipeline. It'll add a tag of GMB optimization. I'll get a notification that somebody is wanting help and I need to go do some work. And then they get an SMS saying, thank you for reaching out. We're filling out the form. We'll get back to you ASAP. Same thing with the email. And then we don't need this one. Just delete action. Yep. And then it waits. So after this, I go do the work. And then once I get the work done, I go into their contacts and then add a tag. That one right there. And then it just goes. Just send over the GMB as a text message, and then wait 2 days. Was optimization done that I sent? Just asking some questions. Wait a day and see if they want any more information on how to help them with their Google business or Google My Business profile. So ask them to book an appointment for like a free consultation. So that is the simple automation, but you don't have to go in when somebody fills out a form and stuff like that and send out email, SMSs and stuff of that nature. It just saves you time. And then the big one for me is I get an internal notification that I know I need to go do some work. So again, put this together really quick last night. Really simple, but saves a lot of time and effort for doing all the manual tasks. You can make these things really, really complicated, or you can make them really easy. And optimizations are just awesome for whatever businesses that you're into. Local service business, pretty much any business. So yeah, that is what I did for that. I wonder if I should show you, where I did the form. So in the forms, you can go back and create forms, builder, and then you just go up here and create a form. There's some templates, or you can just create it manually. So if you want to just first name, stuff like that, email, phone number, date of birth. If you want to get their date of birth, you just drag it in here. If you want to make it required, you can make it required. You don't have to. Call the action button, you can make it different colors that you want, and then you just save that form. And that is the form that you save that triggers everything. I'll go back here. I'll show you where I added the form. Proceed. Sites. Now my internet's not going to be going very good, of course. Like, so this is the sales funnel, which I'm not selling anything. I'm giving away something for free. But you just go in here and edit it. And so that form that you filled out, you want a separate form for all different types of triggers. Like that form, you just go in here, and then I think it was like form 18 or 19. So that's how you attach the form into the website or sales funnel or lead magnet funnel, whatever you want to call it. So pretty simple. So yeah, if you need any help with anything, let me know. I hope this helps out some people. Automations are wonderful. They can save you a lot of time, be more efficient, give you notifications whenever you need to do things and stuff like that. So I will talk to you later.